Hi everyone watching. So glad you made it. In this unique clip, we want to calculate 8,610 divided by 35. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 8,610 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 35 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 8 big enough for 35 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 35 is larger than 8. So we must take the next digit too. How many 35 are in 86? The answer is 2. Now multiply 2 by 35, which gives us 70. Draw line and subtract 86 minus 70, which leaves us with 16. Now we bring down the next digit 1, and this makes our new number 161. How many 35 are in 161? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 35, which gives us 140. Draw line and subtract 161 minus 140, which leaves us with 21. Now we bring down the next digit 0, and this makes our new number 210. How many 35 are in 210? The answer is 6. Now multiply 6 by 35, which gives us 210. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 246. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.